How to increase milk supply fast, a practical guide for nursing moms. If you're worried about a low milk supply, you are not alone. It's one of the most common concerns I hear from new moms. The good news is that the most powerful way to increase your milk supply fast is by sending a clear signal to your body: more milk is needed. By increasing the demand through more frequent and effective milk removal, you're telling your body to ramp up production, and you can often see results in just a few days. Understanding the why behind a low milk supply. Before we jump into the how-to, let's take a quick look at the why. Understanding the simple, brilliant system your body uses to make milk can shift your mindset from one of stress to one of empowerment. You'll realize you can work with your body, not against it. The power of supply and demand. The entire world of milk production runs on one basic economic principle: supply and demand. Think of it as a constant conversation between your baby and your breasts. When your baby nurses more often, or you mimic that demand with a pump, your body gets the message loud and clear and boosts production to match. This feedback loop is your superpower. It means the solution is beautifully straightforward: nursing or pumping more often and more effectively is the most evidence-backed way to make more milk. You can dive deeper into the amazing science of it all in our guide on how mothers produce milk. At its core, every time your breasts are emptied, it's an order for more milk. Frequent orders keep the kitchen busy, infrequent orders signal it's time to slow down production. Seeing it this way helps you reframe a temporary dip. It's not a production failure, it's usually just a communication issue. You just need to send the right signals to get things flowing again. Common triggers for a temporary dip. Sometimes, a dip in supply isn't a long-term crisis but a short-term reaction to something specific. Pinpointing the trigger helps you take targeted action instead of feeling overwhelmed by trying me. For more parenting tips and baby essentials, visit moogcobaby.com. Thank you for watching.